Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're doing a new floor plan. This is a 2022 Grand Design Transcend 255FK, meaning front kitchen. So I'm super excited to get into this one, especially the inside. But before we get there, don't forget, hit that like button, the subscribe button, and the bell notification icon so you get notified when we have a new video or a new floor plan. But let's start on the outside. The front kitchen floor plan allows for a little extra room, as you can see in the front. So our pass-through storage is massive. It's very tall. I'm thinking a bike could fit in here depending on this opening. And if you want to know the dimensions of it, drop a comment below. But we also have our convenience bay, our battery disconnect, and most things you need when you get to the campsite. Again, this is a great place to store things. We got 2 LED lights and I'm overall impressed. But let's look at the outdoor entertainment space. This camper has no slides, so it makes your outdoor entertainment space basically unlimited. We have a really large awning here with outdoor speakers. Everything's pretty standard on the outside, but we love a double entrance. One goes into that front kitchen and the other into that private master, but let's hop inside. Currently, we're inside this Transcend and you're looking towards the front, of course, this front kitchen, just to give you a little bit of perspective. But here's our front main entrance. Next to it, we have our control panel. We also have a really big spot here for some extra shoes, 2 drawers for an extra things, whether it be grab and go things, keys, phones, and we even have a nice little display buffet area here if you want to have some appetizers out, if you got guests going in and out. And there's even an extra outlet, so this would be a good place for coffee pot as well. Across from this, as you can see, they have a built-in pantry in this floor plan, so that's super awesome. You've got plenty of places to put your cereal, snacks, and supplies for cooking. And look at all of this countertop space. We've got a really nice size sink, 3 more drawers, enough room underneath this sink for a good sized trash can. Lots and lots of storage. I mean, this storage goes all the way on both sides. So you've got plenty of places to put cookingware or bakingware if you're wanting to do something like that, and your Furrion little stove, which is right here. It's a 3-burner top. I love the LED lights, and they did add the pot drawer underneath. And underneath here, we've got a few lights. We got one light that has an on and off switch, super easy. We got a hood, and we even have a vent fan up here. So when you're cooking, it doesn't get too smoky in here. It's no big deal. And our RV fridge is a Furrion fridge in this particular one. Again, it's plenty of room. I love the lighting. It's nice, cool lighting, very modern. And they added in an extra little cabinet for storage and even one of those lovely drawers that they sell inserts for on the websites. And here we are looking towards the back of the camper, still in this entertainment space here in the front. To my left, we have a large sofa with extra cup holders and a armrest. And it flips over and has an additional support to be a sleeping space. And look at that, I can still get through here if I need to. Say you wake up early and you want to start the coffee pot, you can shimmy through if you've got some people or maybe one person hanging out on this and another on our dinette, because of course this turns into another sleeping space too. So it looks like 2, 3, maybe like 4 or 5 if we're talking adults can fit in this camper, and there's not a single slide, so that's really cool. We have some pretty big windows on both sides that we can open for good airflow. We also have a vent fan again in the kitchen and a skylight in here and that bathroom. So right here we're getting a lot of natural lighting even with these blackout curtains down, so that's really good. Up above my head we have our entertainment center with some extra storage. I'm thinking books, board games, and fun things. And we have our outdoor, indoor speaker controls in that other cabinet. And behind me is the bathroom, which let's check that out. It's a good thing they opted for a double entrance walk-through bathroom, because having this much space in your doorways and in your bathroom makes it feel just a little bit bigger. We've got a really nice sink area here in the corner with a nice size, pretty deep sink. I like that the faucets all match all around. Medicine cabinet with storage as usual, and extra open cabinets with a little extra spots for straighteners and hair dryers. We have a towel rack, and they even added a few other hanging areas here, just I guess for extra towels. And of course the shower. I'm 5'11" and it's pretty comfortable in here. You know, we're a little small, but very comfortable. We got a removable shower head, so it fits just about everyone. And we have that squeegee door built in, so we don't have to worry about a wet shower curtain all going on the floor in front. So I really appreciate that. And look, more storage on this side as well, but again, there's some extra storage above those sleeping spaces, so you don't have to worry about too much stuff going in here. But let's go in the master. And here we are in the private bedroom of this Transcend. A few changes, even though it looks pretty normal. We do have the two mirrored front wardrobe options for both him and her. These are shelves, but you have an extra hanging area over across from the bed here. Again, mirrored front, just like it is normally. It's a little bit shallow in there, just in this particular floor plan, but again, they give you a few different options. And one thing I really like about this floor plan is that our bedroom's in the back, giving us a straight headboard. Let's look at that a little closer. Before, when you're in the front cap, you can never sit sort of completely comfortable in these beds, but I really like that this is in the back. We got a nice straight wall. We can use this padded headboard for what it's meant to be used. And imagine sitting here, you've got all of your plugs. We've got 2 USB ports, 2 outlets on each side. We have our reading light with the on and off. And it seems like this room has a little bit extra walking space. I mean, it was a camper, so it's not gonna be magnificent, but it is a little bit more functional in here. And again, we have that exterior entrance for just some privacy. But what do you think of this new floor plan? Leave us a comment below of what you're thinking. And if you're interested, give us a call here at Cookeville RV and Marine, or visit us online at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.